guys? Jimbo 203 back at you with another one. I just want to say rest in peace to Mr. David Mcatee. Hopefully, I said that right. He's the owner of a popular barbecue place in Louisville, Kentucky. He was shot down in his own parking lot. I'm pretty sure that they said. And in this video, you're gonna hear a barrage of bullets, and apparently that's them shooting this poor guy dead. But rest in peace to you, sir. Blessings, and all my condolences go to his family and friends. And it's just a very sad time right now. A lot of violence, a lot of police killing people. It's out of control. It has to stop. Rest in peace again to you, Mr. David. And here's the video, guys.
I don't want back up. I got to make sure they.
Let's go.
I don't want them to walk behind.
Let's go.
Really?
Come on, it's time to go. Yeah.
I don't want nobody to walk behind me. Okay, there you go. That's all you had to say. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Look, they all got their guns out. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired, man. They firing shots. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They firing shots. The police came out. They started firing shots.
Sheesh, that was a lot of bullets. Oh my goodness. And that officer was walking around with a Donatello Ninja Turtle stick. What the heck? What is going on? Rest in peace, David. Like, comment, subscribe, Jimbo203. Let's get me to 1,000 so I can go live on my phone and go out and to where the news is at. I would appreciate it. All love is genuinely appreciated, and if you have a channel with content, I will show love back. Thank you. God bless. Everybody be safe out there. Jimbo203 signing out.